Picture yourself in the 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Answer the call to adventure in high-tech comfort in this sophisticated Santa Cruz. Open bed utility and a composed upscale cabin make this a uniquely versatile and satisfying vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. Versatility blends beautifully with sophisticated comfort in this remarkable Santa Cruz. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.